Hello, thank you for viewing the Nth Design YouTube channel. This is Nate, and today we are going to be talking about this little chip, the ATTiny 85, a very powerful microcontroller that you can buy on eBay or DigiKey for $1. So the ATTiny 85, what makes it so great? Well, one of the things that makes it great is that you can program it with the same tools you use and the same language you use to program the Arduino. But how? There are many tutorials out there that show you how to build an Arduino ISP, an in-system programmer. Mine, I built one a while ago that looks like this. A very simple socket with some wires connected to it that we use to plug this with headers directly down into the Arduino, a capacitor there, and you can see this would fit on the Arduino something like this. And then you put your ATTiny into the socket. Make sure I have my dot facing the right way. We put our Arduino into, or ATTiny into the socket like so, and then we could program it. I built this a couple of years ago, and it works fine, but it is not the most elegant solution. I often have trouble lining up the pins, and it only fits the 8-pin ATTiny, and I've started to use some of the 16-pin varieties. I just wanted something a little classier. So this is a long overdue unboxing, or in this case unbagging, of the TinyLoadr shield. This is from Jeff Murchison. I bought this on Tindie, and I say it's long overdue. You actually can't even get this product anymore. I bought this on Tindie probably 2 years ago, and what it is, turn it over here. Actually, let's go ahead and take it out of the package. This is an Arduino shield kit with a ZIF socket, a zero insertion force socket. So you can put your ATTiny into the socket and flip some of these switches to tell it which type of ATTiny you have, and then you can program it that way. This is obviously a much more elegant, much classier solution to the problem of how do I program an ATTiny using the Arduino. So let's dig in. The first thing we're going to need to do is solder on these headers. The kit comes with 4 headers that we solder directly onto the shield, and we're going to be doing that with the Hakko FX888D soldering iron. I have it preset to 450 degrees there, and some 6040 rosin core solder. And so let's give it a go. You can see the pins here. Get that all set up. Okay, that's the first header done. Clean off the tip here. Get the second one in place. This one we need to prop up on something. We'll try this handy ruler here. It's not going to work. What else do we have? Aha. Sponge to the rescue. The second header done. I'm going to put the third set of headers in. Oh, that's a bit of a tight fit there. There we go. Again, we're using our sponge here. Only the finest tools in the Nth Design Lab. That's the third row of header pins. And now we come to a bit of a problem. On the shield, we see a row of 10 pins, 10 holes, through holes, that are unpopulated. If I look, though, at the header supplied in the kit, there are only 8 pins. If I turn this shield over, though, and I don't know that this is going to be picked up well by the camera, I don't see any traces going to these top 2 pins. So I'm simply going to skip those. And that is it. We have populated the board. So now that we have the shield fully populated with headers, let's see how it fits. Here's our Arduino. Here's the shield. Let's get the pins in there. That looks good. That looks good. Push it together. And there you have it. Now that looks like a very classy solution for programming ATTiny microcontrollers. So, in the next video, we're going to walk through using this device to actually get Arduino code running on an ATTiny 85. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and would like to see more, click the subscribe button. And until then, have a great day.